Hello. I've just been stain blocking this wall. This was all full of mould at the top there. I've washed it down with some sugar soap and then warm water. Went over it 2 or 3 times. Then at the bottom of the wall there, it was crumbling away and peeling. So I scraped it all off. And I went over it 2 or 3 times with some easy fill, just to shape the wall back up. It's not perfect, but it's just a few touch-ups here and there. I've gone over the top with some stain block. It's called Zinsser Bin. Sprayed it twice, and then coat the full wall in Zinsser peel stop. I have done the ceiling and walls in here, no woodwork. It's just tightening it up. Now, if you see there was a crack. I've just filled that and just sanded it and just touched it up. I have done the utility, just the ceiling and walls. This room was, across the top was covered in mould. There was a stain where the light fitting is, and where the light is. Went across the ceiling and then down this wall here. Took ages to get rid of the stain. I think I must have went over it maybe 4 times at least. I'm not doing the woodwork in here, it's just the ceiling and the walls. It's just to freshen it up. Looks better. Thank you.